I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti. And so good to have you here. And today I have my affordable skincare finds that are awesome. So let's start. Previously I have spoken a lot about this Everglow Under Eye Serum from biocule. This is a very beautiful, lightweight, affordable under eye serum. It contains ingredients like caffeine, vitamin C, vitamin E, hyaluronic acid which can brighten, debuff and hydrate. It also has natural extracts of ginseng, cucumber and aloe vera which soothes and gives glow, and lactobacillus ferment-lysate in the formulation takes care of skin's microbiome and also makes skin softer, can be used every day. And then I tried this Forever Young Under Eye Cream from biocule. This is a hidden gem. This works on fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles. This antioxidant-rich eye cream contains peptides, caffeine, probiotics, astaxanthin, vitamin C, vitamin E, squalene. This unscented formulation feels so silky and lightweight. It is not like those heavy eye creams that can clog the pores. Texture is beautiful. It works nicely under concealer as well. It is perfect for everyday use. You can layer this with the biocule under eye serum as well. One of the best eye creams I have ever used. Also biocule's Just Bloom Super Serum is so good if you want barrier support, nourishment for your skin. The texture feels like silky light gel. It sprays easily, doesn't feel like heavy or sticky, but it nourishes the skin so well. This serum has omega and multivitamins from olive, burette and kakadu plum. The texture is again very beautiful, so nourishing, it strengthens skin barrier and also gives glow. It also has ceramide. This plumping and hydrating serum can be used every day. It also works really well under sunscreen. Next we have lip balm. Actually two lip balms. This one I'm using for daytime and this one for nighttime. This is from Hyphen, their Peptide lip balm in the shade Vintage. I love the color of this one. It has beautiful plumish brown shade, but this doesn't give like intense color payoff. If you are looking for something like that, you're gonna be disappointed. It has sheer to moderate color payoff, but I love it. It has collagen, peptide, then vitamin E, and it nourishes my lips for say 3 to 4 hours. And I'm someone who like to reapply my lip balm throughout the day, so that's not an issue for me. So if you want a lightweight, hydrating, tinted lip balm, I think this is gonna be a good option. I love the applicator as well. Very good, very convenient to use and very travel friendly. Then I have this one from Deconstruct. This is their sleeping mask. So it has collagen, and there are people who say collagen doesn't do much for skin because it has this bigger molecular size which cannot penetrate. But collagen actually can hydrate the skin very nicely. It has peptides as well, and this lip balm is so nourishing. This lip balm also has shea butter, raspberry and goji oil. It feels like butter on the lips. I mean, it gives overnight moisturization. It also prevents the water loss. Lastly, I have this cleansing jelly oil from Simple. If you want a minimalistic, lightweight cleansing oil jelly, then it can work for you. When you just pump it, it feels like a gel. The more you rub it, it feels like oil, but it doesn't contain any oil in it. Mostly it has emulsifiers, glycerin in there. It doesn't sting my eyes, it emulsifies so well. It cleanses makeup, dirt, sunscreen so beautifully. I find cleansing oils to be kind of tricky to carry when I'm traveling, but this packaging is really travel friendly, which I really appreciate. I found the texture of this Simple cleansing jelly oil to be very similar to Isn't jelly oil, but Simple has like more spreadability and it just feels better on the skin. If you want a fragrance-free, lightweight formulation for your cleansing oil that has minimalistic ingredients, then you can try this one. This one is really effective. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for being there. I really hope you found this to be helpful, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.